Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge, just to show you this 2021 Ram 3500 that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the truck today just to show you some of the features and options that this 3500 has to offer. So starting off, it is in your Patriot Blue paint finish, accented by your blackout badging across the truck as well. And as you can see, this truck does have a few aftermarket accessories included on it. You do have a leveling kit equipped on the truck. As we come around towards the back here, you also do have your tonneau cover, so a great accessory, help keep your cargo kind of secured and out of the elements. Your backup camera equipped there, as you can see as well. Your park sense sensors there just across that back bumper. And as we come around towards the passenger side, you can see it does come as well, some of those aftermarket accessories with an upgraded set of tires, some fuel rims included there, some color matched fender flares. So a great list of accessories included for you on this truck that you don't have to worry about post-purchase. You also do have a set of power running boards included on the truck. And just to check out some of the features inside here now, you can see the back seat, plenty of room for your passengers to sit quite comfortably back there. Rubber floor mats included both front and back, so again, another great little accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Your leather seats equipped on the truck, again, offer plenty of comfort. In that back seat, you do have your heated rear seats as well as your USB ports back there. Up top, your power sunroof. And just to check out some of the features up front here, so you do have your 12-inch touchscreen display, tons of great features packed in there, very user-friendly as well. So you do have access to, of course, all your climate control options in there, audio media controls built in there, your heated ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, access to some of the apps that are included in there, navigation, of course your Bluetooth capabilities, and you can toggle your backup camera on and off there as well. To either side of the screen, again, access to just your climate control options, audio media controls as well. Just below that, your trailer brake control, USB ports just in behind there. Plenty of room in your center console area to keep things organized while on the go. Wireless charger up front as well. You do have keyless entry, push button start in behind there, and your key fob for the truck right here. Remote starts included, your power tailgate as well. Steering wheel mount controls, so you do have access to your cruise control options, Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities on the left hand side in behind the steering wheel, access to your audio media controls, so you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. But you can see this Ram 3500 Laramie is packed full of great features inside and out, and with those added aftermarket accessories, you do get a great looking truck. If you have questions about this 3500, please feel free to give us a call, 780-826-2999.